Hello friends, welcome to Digital Inquiry. Hope everyone healthy and safe. Today in our channel we are going to talk about Star Health Assure Insurance Policy. Eligibility: both individual and family can buy this policy. Age entry: adult 18 to 75 years, children 16 days to 17 years. After 18, children can include in family floater until marriage. No exit age in this policy, and this policy is lifetime renewal. Sum insured 5 lakh to 2 crore rupees is available. Policy term: you can pay premium 1 year or you can pay premium for 2 years, 3 years in one shot. Hospitalization cover: after buying a health insurance, the first conditions comes here: the 24 hours hospitalization, minimum 1 day admission is required to eligible for a claim. In claim there is a two types: one is cashless and reimbursement. Treatment taken in the network hospital is called cashless, and treatment taken in the non-network hospital is called reimbursement. If you buying a policy for 5 lakh rupees, the room rent is up to 1% of your coverage, that is 5,000 rupees per day. If you are taking a coverage of 10 lakh to 50 lakh rupees, then the room eligibility is up to single standard AC room. If you buying above 75 lakh rupees coverage, then there is no capping on room, you can choose any room. While taking treatment in the hospital, surgeon charges, consultation charges, specialist fees, oxygen, OT charges, ICU charges, drugs and medicines, X-ray, scan, blood test, everything covered under this policy. Reimbursement cover. Reimbursement cover means the expenses which is not covered in cashless treatment. So after discharging from the hospital, we have to apply these expenses as a reimbursement. That is road ambulance, air ambulance, and pre-hospitalization expenses 60 days. That is treatment before, if you spend any expenses, that also can be applied for reimbursement. And after treatment, if any expenses spent till 180 days, that expenses also we can apply for reimbursement. And shared accommodation cash benefit: in case if while choosing single standard AC room or non AC room, if you are choosing like two sharing or three sharing room like that, this policy gives you 1000 rupees cash benefit that you can claim after discharge from the hospital, applying through reimbursement cover. Daycare treatment: 12 to 24 hours if we take any treatment, if doctor is considered that is a daycare treatment, you can apply for reimbursement. Some hospitals will give you cashless facilities also. Delivery expenses: yes, this policy covers the maternity benefit, pregnancy cover up to 10% of the sum insured. If you buying a policy for 5 lakh, then it is covered up to 50,000. If you are buying 10 lakh, 1 lakh. If you are buying 20 lakh, then it is 2 lakh. And if you are buying 25 lakh, 2.5. And if you buy 50 lakh, 5 lakh. And up to 2 crore if you are buying, it will give 20 lakh rupees as a delivery expenses. As per my latest scenario in the market, nobody is giving you this much of maternity benefit coverage. So hope this policy will give a very good benefit in the maternity expenses. And as usual, this policy is also a waiting period of 2 years. After buying a policy, you have to wait for 2 years to get this delivery expenses. First 2 years is waiting period, and in this first 2 years, the both husband and wife has to be covered in this policy. And for delivery expenses, pre and post hospitalization is not eligible. Newborn baby cover. Newborn baby cover is covered from day one. Most of the policy, if you see, the baby is covered 16th day or 90 days after, like that. But in this policy, the baby is covered from the day one. To claim these expenses from the day one, to get this cover, there is a two condition. In the two condition, one condition has to be eligible. The first condition is either they have to be claimed the maternity cover in this policy, or the mother should be included in this policy minimum of 1 year. So in these two, if any one condition is eligible, then the newborn baby is covered from the day one. If you are buying sum insured is 5 to 25 lakh, then the newborn baby is covered up to 2 lakh rupees. If you are buying a policy for 50 to 2 crore rupees, then the baby cover is around 4 lakh rupees. Restoration benefit: sum insured will be restored unlimited number of times and maximum up to 100% each time, which can be utilized for subsequent hospitalization. That means, let me go through one example so you will understand easily. Mr. A purchased a policy for 10 lakh rupees and he made a first claim around 5 lakh rupees. That is settled. After settle, he came to home and discharge and came to home. Immediately, another 5 lakh rupees has been restored to this policy as a policy benefit. And total available limit for this health treatment is 10 lakh rupees again. And in the same year, the person went for the second claim. Now the claim is amount is 15 lakh rupees and he have only 10 lakh rupees. The 10 lakh rupees covered from the insurance, another 5 lakh he has to bear from his pocket. And after discharging from the hospital, again the 10 lakh has been restored because this policy gives you unlimited restoration. So the total cover now again it is comes to 10 lakh rupees. The same year, third claim has been admitted. So it is treatment cost is around 11 lakh rupees. So in this 11 lakh, 10 lakh is claimed and 1 lakh paid from his pocket. So after this also, the again the restoration has been restored again 100% of the restore is 10 lakh rupees has been restored. So this is called in a same year you can utilize this restoration unlimited times. So this is one of the beautiful benefit in this policy. No claim bonus. 25% of the sum insured for each free claim year and maximum up to 100% of the sum insured. If you're buying a policy for 10 lakh rupees, if you're not claimed for the first year, then you are eligible for 25% of bonus. So 10 lakh, 25% means 2.5 lakh rupees. That has been included in your policy. So the maximum bonus is 100%, not more than that. So this bonus amount also you can utilize for the hospital treatment cost. Free health checkup. The second benefit when you're not done any claim in a year, the free health checkup. If you purchased a policy for 10 lakh rupees, individual can eligible for 2000 and floater, family floater can eligible for 5000. If you're buying a 20 lakh policy, then 5000 individual and 10,000 is for family floater. So this is the health checkup benefit, you can utilize it. Other features and benefits. This policy covers Ayush treatment, modern treatment, home care treatment, and non-medical items also covered under this product. Non-medical items, most of the policy, if you see, they will not cover. They mention it is not covered. But in this policy, the non-medical items also covered. What is non-medical items? Hospital will charge you like file charges, administration charges, gloves, mask, PP kit, bandage. So these all non-medical items as we have to pay from our pocket. But in this policy, that non-medical items also covered. Midterm inclusion means a newly married spouse or a newborn baby also can be included middle of the policy. This policy also cover organ donor expenses. Waiting period. After purchasing a policy, the accident will cover from the day 1. Other illness will be covered after 30 days. There is some specific disease that will cover after 24 months. This condition is common in each and every policy. Pre-existing will be covered after 36 months. That means before buying a policy, if we have any health issue, that we have to declare to the insurance company. So that particular disease will be covered after 36 months only. This is called pre-existing disease. Next, premium. Premium depends on age, family size and city. So to know your premium, WhatsApp to my number 988-606-8090 and 944932723. So I will test you the premium. In this policy, you are eligible for EMI option also. 3-month or 6-month option is available for EMI. Tax benefit. In this policy, whatever premium you are paying and it is eligible for under section 80D as per Income Tax Act. Self will be eligible up to 25,000 and parents also eligible up to 25,000. In case the parents is senior citizen, then they are eligible up to 50,000 rupees. So this is also one of the good benefit. Portability. Portability also accepted in this. If you are already purchased some other insurance company, when compared to that product, this product features are good and service also if it is good, then you can port that policy to this company. This also accepted. Thanks for watching my video. If this information is helpful to you, please click on like button and share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Meet you all in next video. Thank you once again.